Today I'm going to demonstrate our new Remax 7mm crimping tool. For this demonstration you'll need a Remax ES-7MT crimping tool, a high tension cable, this is wired cord, copper cord, HT6 which is the crimped end to push in distributor caps and coils, HT14 which is a rubber boot, and if you're putting numbers on, HT95 is the one I'm going to use. Right, now to start making your cable up, first of all it's best to put your numbers in your boot on first. This part number HT95 is the standard number that we have. We have numbers 1 to 6 in this, one for the coil with just marked C. So I'll slide that over. The next thing to go is the rubber boot. Just drop a WD-40 on it. Bit much there. Right, let's slide it on. Okay, so we do that. Next is get the crimping tool, and there's a side cutter here. Have it sticking out 6 or 7 mil, like so. That's just enough to fold back to make a good mechanical and electrical contact. Place the HT6 on, and you're just going to crimp it together with a pair of pliers to hold it in place and make sure we've got a proper contact. Then get the crimping tool, and this is the part we're going to crimp with. It's got a slight ridge here at the top. That has to go in the centre there to squash it down. So I'll put it in, make sure it's there, and then just squash it. And there we have a perfect finish. It's dug well into the cable and won't pull off easily at all. Also, for the coil we have HT15, which is a slightly longer one, but the HT14 and HT15 both work on your coil. Now if you're going to have, if you need right angled ends for your distributor cap or coil, we do an HT7, and the boot that covers that one is an HT18. Right, we'll go to the spark plug end of the lead. If you wanted the straight ones for your to fit on your spark plug, it's HT4 is the crimped end, and the rubber boot is HT16, and a right angled plug cap is, the boot is HT17, and the end is HT5. Oh. Right, again WD-40 in the end. Now you have to get this as straight as you can so you can push the cable straight through. So hold it like this and slide it in. There we are, just about got it in. Right, that's on now. Right angled boot. Now we'll get the crimping pliers and strip it. Again, 6mm or so sticking out. Bend the wire back. Put the HT5 terminal on. Squeeze it together with a pair of pliers. Remembering about the ridge in the middle. Just gently squeeze it. And there we go. Next thing to do is just slide the boot back on again, just like that. You have to put it right through, make sure it's at right angles inside, and that will go onto the spark plug then. That's perfect. Just to show you the kind of fit, this is the distributor cap one. It's a nice tight fit, pushing it in the hole, and you know what number it is. That's the finish. Okay, now the spark plug one, let's get the spark plug from over here and push it in. They're made to have the cap on. That's a nice tight fit and it's on now. Oh, okay, just put this one away. Clear the deck a bit. I'm down here. If you've just got an odd lead to do and you haven't got a crimping tool, we do a part number HT13 for a straight connection, which has a spike on each side and a spike at the end that goes on the end of the cable and up against the copper wire. And you just squeeze them together with a pair of pliers, and that's... Next we have HT separators. These come in, the part numbers are HT 71, 72 and 73, and there's 2 cables apart, there's 3 cables apart and 4 cables apart, and you just clip them onto the lead like that. They're perfect. We do the old Lucas type fitting, we call them acorns. We have acorns and washers. This just fits on the, HT1 is the washer, HT2 is the acorn for a distributor cap, and the long ones is HT3 for the coil. I'll give you a quick demonstration of the acorn type. That's the acorn, which is HT2 on our parts. The washer's HT1. The rubber boot's HT14. Right. We'll put the boot on first. Bit of WD-40 on it. Slide it up and out. Slide it up and out the way. Now you just need, slide the acorn on, and then you just need the end, just about 1/8 of an inch or so, like that. Put your washer on, and then just splay it all out, and that's all you really do for this. Just make sure the wire's not too long, because you've got to get it down in the distributor cap hole. And that's perfect, and they trap against the inside of the distributor cap and it becomes rigid. And that's how you do the acorn type. Well, I'll put that to one side. And we also do made up leads. We originally did this because we were getting at motorbike shows, getting Triumphs coil ignition, and they wanted right angled ends on. So we have these made. They're 1 meter long leads. You can use these for normal distributors or coils or anything. It's the coil distributor cap end that's on. So then you can screw just a normal standard spark plug cap on. So the right angle one is PMC1 and the straight boot is PMC2. You cut your lead to length, and then you can just screw on your plug cap. Put the rubber on first. We need some WD-40 on it. screw that on, get it away. And inside here there is like a wood screw, so you just literally push it in and screw it tight. Perfect. Slide the boot back down, and there you go, your own lead made up. Right, we'll clear this lot away. Just to show you the kind of leads we've got, HT leads, just a small selection. We have cotton braided. We have like a matte finish on them. There's various colours in this. It's just a couple here. And we also have the gloss one. The gloss one is like there used to be cables when cotton braided was common in the 30s, 40s, 50s.